plan yami yokwenza yokudila ne-youth. So ngithe ngihamba nje perchance in a shopping mall ngabona zi-displayed le ncwadi ezimbili ezikhuluma nge-education ikakhulu through the eyes of the young ones. I was interested, ngayivula kancane ngayithola ukuthi hayibo ikhuluma ngalo Dr. Ngogi Mahai. I've never heard of this person, but mangithi kancane ikhuluma ngontando yenkosi abakhuluma ukuthi I was born in 1990 something. Young children bakhuluma nge-philosophy. They are educating me on a subject I've never heard. I understand. I'm so impressed ukuthi these young children othola ukuthi zizalwe kuma-90s. Mina ngeke ngingazi ukuthi sokukhona umuntu okhuluma into esile ngoma-1990s. But they are so educated, they are so passionate. Bakhuluma ngalo thisha wasevela ngaye enkandla somewhere lapho ucabanga ukuthi khona abekho nje izingane ezipassionate nge-education nezikhuluma i-English clean. I bought 2 of the books. Ngahlala phansi, enye ithi The Downtrodden, enye ithi Education and Philosophy Through the Eyes of the Young Ones. Hayi ngayihlalela ngayifundela, but like I say, into philosophy mina nje throughout i-education yami ne-adult life angizange ngibe exposed entweni ye-philosophy. So le ngane zibhizi ziyangi-educate. Ngiyabona ke manje ukuthi le ngane bayidayimani lomuntu omnyama.
Yes.
Manje kukhona le enemy enkulu kabi enga-addresswa ekuthiwa i-alcohol. Ezovele le ngane ishayi. Mina meanwhile ngiqondana nalento nje, I'm working on a project engithi khona ethi before you lift that glass or before toast. Iwari yami ukuthi le ngane ezincane before ngibone lento ethi through youth, yiko lokho sengigxuma mangibona izingane ezincane ezimotivated, ezidisciplined, eziserious about life. So mina ngikhuluma ngibuka i-challenge yokuthi yazi destroya i-alcohol izingane zethu, and isikhathi esiningi zi-exposeka ngesikhathi zi-toaster, zijabulele ukuphasa umatric and they're gone. So I was desperate ukubona le writer. Angiyazi nje ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu ukuthiwa uya phesheya, ngithi ngabe khona in the country perchance, futhi nje angiyazi inhlanhla engivele ithi qithi phambi kwami kule insuku. Perchance lo muntu engazi ukuthi noma ngingamthola fanele ukuthi usebenza kude nje, kubhali ukuthi usebenza e-office le MEC. Hayibo ngingaqondani naye, ngiqondana noMahaye who is a dentist, a nice child who had never seen me but talked to me so nicely. Introduce kulo Dr. Mahai. Dr. Mahai is another nice person. Ngithi ngifuna ukumthola ku WhatsApp, ngiqale ngizi-introduce, angimtholi WhatsApp, sengiforced ukumfonela. Ngiyasaba nje ukuthi ngizothini kulo muntu. Avele abe sweeter than lo muntu ebengimtholile. Kusho ukuthi abantu bakaMahai nje sweet. Ngicela ukubeka lokho. Ngizoza ukuthi ubani ongangiphikisa kuleyo nto. So I'm with with Dr. Mahai manje. We're going to talk about my project. Kodwa more than uDr. Mahai, ngifuna ukubonga izingane zasevela ngaye enkandla, because they are the people that impressed me and bangenza ngafutheke ekutheni I must do something about my project. I'm about 73 years old now. In next month ngizoqeda 73 wami. Kodwa I've been influenced in my mature age izingane ezincane ezizalwe ngama-90s. Khula njalo I know izingane zasevela ngaye njengamanje nje senise-tertiary ezinye ikhona ethi ise-Free State. So kodwa nje keep it up, watch out for the enemy, and liquor is your biggest enemy.